Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, how are you today? I hope that you are always happy and healthy. Today we will learn about prime number. But before we study, let's say basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Check this out. Friends, the prime number is very useful in our life. If you wanna be a programmer, who wanna be a programmer here? If you wanna be a programmer, you must know about the prime number. So, what is the prime number? We will learn about this. Okay, the goals for the prime number is you must knowing the prime number between 1 and 100. Before we learn about the number, let's sing together.
Natural numbers are naturally numbers you count on your hands and your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Whole numbers are natural numbers plus 0. That's the only difference. 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on.
Okay, so what is the natural number? Yes, natural number is the number that beginning with 1. Yeah, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And then what is the whole number? The whole number is natural number plus 0. Yeah, so the whole number is the number that beginning with 0. Yeah, there is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on.
I'm prime, P-R-I-M-E. Only factors are 1 and me. Factors that divide evenly. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Woo! I'm prime, P-R-I-M-E. Only factors are 1 and me. Factors that divide evenly. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Yeah, I'm prime, P-R-I-M-E. Only factors are 1 and me. Factors that divide evenly.
Okay, what is the prime number? Prime number is a whole number which is divisible by two numbers. Remember, divisible by two numbers. There is the number 1 and by itself. Remember, prime number is divisible by two numbers, only two numbers. Okay, yeah. There is the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Why the number 1 is not the prime number? Yeah, because number 1 is divisible only by one number. There is 1, right? Yeah, 1 only divisible by 1. The prime number divisible by two numbers, so 1 is not the prime number. Okay, and then why 4 is not the prime number? Yeah, because 4 divisible by 3 number. Yep, there is 4 divisible by 1, and then 4 divisible by 2, and then 4 divisible by 4, right? Okay, now why 6? It is the prime number, because 6 divisible by 4 number. There is 6 divisible by 1, and then 6 divisible by 2, and then 6 divisible by 3, and then 6 divisible by 6. So 6, it isn't the prime number. Now why 2 is the prime number? Yeah, because 2 divisible by two numbers. There is 2 divisible by 1, and then 2 divisible by 2. Okay, and then why 3 the prime number? Yeah, because 3 divisible by 2 numbers. There is 3 divisible by 1 and then 3 divisible by 3. Okay, and then why 5 the prime number? Because 5 divisible by 2 numbers. There is 5 divisible by 1 and then 5 divisible by 5. Okay. Let's find the prime number between 1 and 20 using the sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, who is the Eratosthenes? You can searching from Google who is Eratosthenes. Okay. And for the table of Eratosthenes, you can look at your student's book, page 87. Yeah, page 87, student's book. Nah, I only share you how to find the prime number between 1 and 20. But after this, you must find the prime number between 1 and 100. Okay? Nah, there is the table 1 until 20. Yeah, the instruction is cross out number 1 because it is not a prime number. Cross out number 1 because it is not prime number. And then you can circle the prime number, number 2. Number 2 is the prime number, so you can circle. Yeah. After this, yeah, you can cross out all number divisible by 2. Yeah, number divisible by 2, so you can remember the multiplication by 2. Yeah, 2 times 2 equals to 4. Yep, so we can cross out. Yeah, 4 divisible by 2 because 2 times 2 equals to 4, so we can cross out 4. And then 2 times 3, 2 times 3, 6. Yeah, equals to 6, so we can cross out the 6. Yeah, because 6 divisible by 2. And then 2 times 4 equals to 8, so we can cross out 8. 2 times 5 equals to 10, so we can cross out 10. And then 2 times 6 equal to 12, so we can cross out 12. And then 2 times 7 equals to 14, so we can cross out 14. 2 times 8 equals to 16, so we can cross out 16. 2 times 9 equals to 18, so we can cross out 18. 2 times 10 equals to 20, so we can cross out 20. 2 times 11 equals to 22, but there is no 22. Yeah. And then look at this one. Yeah, after 2 is 3. 3 is prime number, right? Because 3 divisible by 2 number. There is 3 divisible by 1 and then 3 divisible by itself. Yeah, 3 divisible by 3. So 3 is prime number. So we can circle 3. Yeah, circle 3. And then after this, cross out all number divisible by 3. Yeah, all divisible by 3. Yeah, so we can remember the multiplication by 3. 2 times 3 equals to 6. Yeah, so 6 we can cross out. Yeah, already cross out. And then 3 times 3 equals to 9. So we can cross out 9. Yeah, because 9 is divisible by 3. Okay. And then 3 times 4 equals to 12. So we can cross out the 12. Yeah, it's already. And then 3 times 5 equals to 15. So we can cross out 15. And then 3 times 6 equals to 18. Yeah, so we can cross out 18. And then 3 times 7 equals to 21. But there is no 21. Okay. look at number 5. Number 5 is the prime number, right? Because number 5 divisible by 2 number. There is 5 divisible by 1 and then 5 divisible by itself, yeah. 5 divisible by 5. Okay, so we can circle 5. Now, after this, cross out all number divisible by 5. All number divisible by 5. So we can multiplication by 5. 2 times 5 equals to 10. So we can cross out 10. It's already, yeah. And then 3 times 5 equals to 15. 15 already cross out. And then 4 times 5 equals to 20. So we can cross out. It's already. Now 5 times 5 equals to 25. So you can cross out 25, but there is no 25 here. Okay, and then look at 7. 7 is the prime number. Yep, because 7 divisible by 2 number. There is 7 divisible by 1 and then 7 divisible by itself, yeah. 7 divisible by 1 and 7 divisible by 7. So 7 is prime number. So you can circle 7. After this, yeah, you can cross out the all number divisible by 7. Yeah, 2 times 7 equals to 14. So we can cross out 14, but it's already, yeah. And then 7 times 3 equals to 21. Yeah, 21 we can cross out. Yeah, so on. And then look at 11. 11 is prime number. Yeah, because 11 divisible by 2 number. There is 11 divisible by 1 and then 11 divisible by 11. So you can circle 11. Now, after this, cross out all number divisible by 11. 11 times 2 equals to 22. But 22 is not here. You can cross out 22 in your student's book, okay? And then look at 13. 13 is prime number because 13 divisible by 2 number. There is divisible by 1 and then divisible by itself. Yeah. So we can circle 13. Now, after this, you can cross out all number divisible by 13. 13 times 2 equals to 26. So you can cross out 26. Yep, but there is no 26 here. But you can cross out 26 on your student's book. Okay. And then where is 17? 17 is the prime number because 17 divisible by 2 number. There is number 1 and number itself. Yeah, so we can circle 17 and then cross out all number divisible by 17. Yeah, 2 times 17 equals to 34. Yeah, so you can cross out on your student's book. Yeah, 34. And then look at 19. 19 is prime number because 19 divisible by 2 number. There is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay, you will continue on your student's book. Yep, student books page 87. Yeah, you must find the prime number between 1 and 100. Yeah, and then you can practice student book page 88. Yeah, what is the smallest prime number? Smallest prime number, there is 2, right? 2. Yeah, smallest prime number, there is 2, and then so on. Yeah, you can do on your student's book, and then you can take a picture and upload in El Mumtaza. Okay, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Bye bye.